Kani ketika batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kakanhon jong kisang san partai ki bayasan rap lang ban thawi ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kalarai ban Pynïakhun tang uwei kurtong nakabenta ke election ban jet thamai yu MP sha Rajya Sabha kaban saperlong hak arpun reutrek mentau benai leber arajar arpo hak ni ke jela uneu kurtong uba kakanhon MDA kalaya monlang udai u president jong kaseng National People's Party Meghalaya State Unit u Dr. WR Kharlukhi ya kane lai tho dau sambot menteri rang ba ka jela uba prestun tensong ha ka jing kendo bat kinong pathai kubor ha ka sautrek mentau benai leber arajar arpo ka sarkar klara ru baya ka dorbar mang tingka jong ka jela on penkot no ha ka arpsan tereng bat ha ka arpun reu terek on pelong no ya election MP Rajya Sabha.
The MDA meeting we had on the 27th of last month in the Pynïakhun Hotel. That night we discussed about the issue of Rajya Sabha election. Okay, Rajya Sabha election which is to be held on the 26th March 2020. So that day we had a deliberation among the partners of the MDA, and ultimately the decision was taken by the MDA that we constituted one committee. So I headed the committee, and the members, all of us here, I think you name them, all of us here, plus Lambor Malayang, plus Aduba. Then the first meeting of the committee was held on the 3rd of this month. On the last Monday, just last Monday we had a meeting, and then again briefly we had again the second meeting yesterday, and I would like to inform you because the MDA has authorized the committee to declare the name of the candidate selected by the MDA. Okay, selected by the MDA for the upcoming Rajya Sabha election, which is fixed on the 26th of March 2020. So I am to inform you that Dr. Kharlukhi was unanimously selected by the MDA. Dr. Kharlukhi, WR Kharlukhi, to be our official candidate for the election to the Rajya Sabha on the 26th of March.
Kalender katum kaba gila de besok mungkin berdep. Jadi saya kade session yang sedang lalu halai terek. Kan kut adu ka untuk terek. Dan hari kita asmesi ngayo no ya bol ya sini apa election commission. Akabat kita notify ya tarik ban tap board nakabenta MP Rajya Sabha. Ye akabat dia berkini ka business administration committee kalhap syong yang mana, bat gila dep syong mana, di gila hap out no sisi, jang kawai kesini, gila hap out no sisi, bat gila hap ra no, bat penkut ya ka session, haka ardutre. Dia sistem dalam keju kalaitan. Dia ke uling di kendai hak arpun terik. Ada pendai biji minister, ada saw biji termit. Pat ke counting berlong hak juga. Dia revise kalender nak benda ke budget session jangka mereka balai.